Welcome to Passion Travel. Join us as we explore fascinating destinations, uncover hidden gems, and embark on unforgettable journeys. Subscribe now and ignite your passion for travel. Quesada Pasiega, traditional cheesecake. Ingredients for Quesada Pasiega: 1 liter, 4 cups, whole milk. 250 grams, 1 cup, sugar. 250 grams, 2 cups, flour. 100 grams, half a cup, butter, melted. 2 large eggs. Zest of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. A pinch of salt. Preparation. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking dish or line it with parchment paper. Heat the milk. In a large pot, heat the whole milk over medium heat until it just begins to boil. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Prepare the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar, flour, melted butter, eggs, lemon zest, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix well until all ingredients are fully integrated. Gradually add the warm milk to the mixture, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick. Pour and bake. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool and serve. Allow the Quesada Pasiega to cool completely in the baking dish. Once cooled, cut it into squares or slices. Rabas fried squid rings. Ingredients for rabas: 1 pound fresh squid, calamari, cleaned and cut into rings. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Vegetable oil for frying. Lemon wedges, for serving. Preparation. Prepare the squid. Clean the squid thoroughly, removing the head, innards, and quill. Peel off the skin if desired, and cut the bodies into rings. Rinse well and pat dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Season the flour. In a shallow bowl, combine the flour, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to ensure the seasonings are evenly distributed. Coat the squid. Dredge the squid rings in the seasoned flour, shaking off any excess flour. Heat the oil. In a deep skillet or fryer, heat the vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Make sure there is enough oil to fully submerge the squid rings. Fry the squid. Carefully place the coated squid rings into the hot oil, frying in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry until golden brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Use a slotted spoon to remove the fried squid from the oil and drain on paper towels. Serve. Serve the rabas immediately, hot and crispy, with lemon wedges on the side for squeezing over the top. Pulpo a la galega, Galician-style octopus. Ingredients for pulpo a la galega: 1 large octopus, about 2 to 3 pounds. 4 to 5 large potatoes. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 1 to 2 teaspoons sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, optional. Coarse sea salt, to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped, optional, for garnish. Preparation. Prepare the octopus. Clean the octopus thoroughly under cold running water. If not already done, remove the beak and eyes. Optionally, tenderize the octopus by freezing it for a day and then thawing it, or by gently beating it with a meat mallet. Cook the octopus. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. You can add an onion, bay leaf, or a few peppercorns for additional flavor, but this is optional. Holding the octopus by the head, dip it into the boiling water 3 times, holding it in the water for a few seconds each time and then removing it. This will curl the tentacles and help tenderize the octopus. Submerge the octopus in the boiling water and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until the octopus is tender when pierced with a knife. The cooking time may vary depending on the size of the octopus. Cook the potatoes. While the octopus is cooking, peel and slice the potatoes into rounds about half an inch thick. In a separate pot, boil the potato slices in salted water until they are tender but not falling apart, about 10 to 15 minutes. Drain and set aside. Assemble the dish. Once the octopus is tender, remove it from the water and let it cool slightly. Cut the tentacles into bite-sized pieces and slice the head if desired. Arrange the cooked potato slices on a serving platter. Place the octopus pieces on top of the potatoes. Season and serve. Drizzle the octopus and potatoes generously with extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle with coarse sea salt, sweet paprika, and smoked paprika, if using. Adjust the seasoning to taste. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley if desired. Gambas al ajillo, garlic shrimp. Ingredients for gambas al ajillo. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1/4 cup olive oil. 6 to 8 garlic cloves, thinly sliced. 1 to 2 dried red chili peppers, crumbled, or 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1/4 cup dry white wine, optional. 1 teaspoon paprika. Salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Lemon wedges, for serving. Crusty bread, for serving. Preparation. Heat the olive oil. In a large skillet or earthenware dish, heat the olive oil over medium heat until it begins to shimmer. Cook the garlic and chili. Add the thinly sliced garlic and crumbled dried chili peppers, or red pepper flakes, to the oil. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until the garlic is fragrant and golden brown, but not burnt. Add the shrimp. Increase the heat to medium-high and add the shrimp to the skillet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently until the shrimp are pink and opaque. Deglaze with white wine, optional. If using white wine, add it to the skillet and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the alcohol to evaporate and the flavors to meld. Season and finish. Sprinkle the shrimp with paprika, salt, and black pepper. Stir well to coat the shrimp evenly with the spices. Serve. Transfer the gambas al ajillo to a serving dish, garnish with freshly chopped parsley, and serve immediately with lemon wedges on the side. Chorizo, spicy pork sausage. Ingredients for chorizo. 1 pound ground pork. 3 tablespoons smoked paprika, pimentón. 2 tablespoons sweet paprika. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for heat. 1/4 teaspoon ground coriander. Preparation. Mix the spices. In a large bowl, combine the smoked paprika, sweet paprika, minced garlic, red wine vinegar, salt, black pepper, oregano, thyme, cumin, cloves, cayenne pepper, if using, and ground coriander. Mix well, to form a spice paste. Combine with pork. Add the ground pork to the spice paste. Using your hands or a large spoon, mix thoroughly until the pork is evenly coated with the spice mixture. Marinate. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or overnight for the best flavor. Form the sausages, optional. If you prefer to make sausage links, soak sausage casings in warm water for about 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Fit a sausage stuffer or a piping bag with a wide nozzle. Fill the casing with the chorizo mixture, being careful not to overfill. Twist the sausage at regular intervals to create links. Cook the chorizo. For fresh chorizo, heat a skillet over medium heat. Add the chorizo and cook, breaking it up with a spoon, until it is browned and cooked through, about 8 to 10 minutes. For chorizo links, cook them in a skillet or grill over medium heat until browned on all sides and cooked through, about 15 to 20 minutes. Tigres stuffed mussels. Ingredients for tigres stuffed mussels. 1 pound fresh mussels. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup milk. 1/4 cup dry white wine. 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, pimentone. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. 1 egg, beaten. Vegetable oil for frying. Lemon wedges, for serving. Preparation. Clean and cook the mussels. Scrub the mussels under cold running water and remove the beards. Discard any mussels that are open and do not close when tapped. In a large pot, add the mussels and a splash of water. Cover and cook over high heat until the mussels open, about 3 to 5 minutes. Discard any mussels that do not open. Remove the mussels from their shells, chop the meat finely, and set aside. Reserve half of the shell halves for stuffing. Prepare the filling. In a skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, and sauté until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in the flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until it forms a paste. Gradually add the milk, whisking continuously to avoid lumps, until a thick bechamel sauce forms. Stir in the white wine and smoked paprika. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Add the chopped mussels to the sauce and mix well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, then remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Stuff the mussels. Take the reserved mussel shells and fill each one with a generous spoonful of the mussel mixture. Smooth the tops with the back of a spoon. Coat and fry. Set up a breading station with the beaten egg in one bowl and the breadcrumbs in another. Dip each stuffed mussel first in the beaten egg, then coat with breadcrumbs, pressing lightly to adhere. In a deep skillet or fryer, heat the vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully fry the stuffed mussels in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Drain on paper towels. Serve. Serve the tigres hot, with lemon wedges on the side for squeezing over the top. Ensaladilla rusa Russian salad with potatoes, peas, and mayonnaise. Ingredients for ensaladilla rusa. 4 large potatoes. 2 large carrots. 1 cup frozen peas. 1 cup canned tuna, drained. 4 hard-boiled eggs, chopped. 1 cup mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar. Salt and black pepper to taste. Pimiento strips, optional, for garnish. Chopped parsley, optional, for garnish. Preparation. Cook the vegetables. Peel and dice the potatoes and carrots into small cubes. In a large pot of salted water, boil the potatoes and carrots until tender but not mushy, about 10 to 15 minutes. Add the frozen peas during the last 3 minutes of cooking. Drain and let cool. Prepare the eggs. Hard-boil the eggs by placing them in a pot of cold water, bringing it to a boil, then simmering for about 10 minutes. Drain and cool in ice water before peeling and chopping them. Combine ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the cooked potatoes, carrots, and peas. Add the canned tuna and chopped hard-boiled eggs. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, olive oil, white wine vinegar, salt, and black pepper until smooth. Mix the salad. Pour the dressing over the potato mixture and gently toss until everything is well coated. Chill. Cover the salad and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving to allow the flavors to meld. Garnish and serve. Before serving, garnish with pimiento strips and chopped parsley if desired.